Welcome back. Here is how to permanently close your Carbon account step by step. First thing, make sure your account balances are ₦0 and that you have fully paid off any outstanding loans or investments. Secondly, while you have opened your app and log in, on your home screen, tap into account and on the list of options that you have, select support. After clicking on support, tap on contact us to send an in-app message or directly send an email to support@getcarbon.co using your registered email address. The last thing to do, state that you want to permanently delete your account. Include your full name, phone number, and Carbon account number. Once the support team verifies your request and confirms that there are no pending transactions, your data and accounts will be permanently deleted. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.